Hi, good evening. Thank you so much for your question. So on this one, they want us to use the sorted edges and to find the total cost of the resulting circuit. So um, instructions could be a little clearer here. Remember, on these, we're finding a Hamilton circuit. Sorted edges is used for a Hamilton circuit. So I'm going to find my highlighter here. Let's use green. We could see that a little bit better. So I think you can agree that this one right here, that is my cheapest edge, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and put my vertices over here. Sometimes this makes it a little bit clearer to see what's going on. Okay, so we have an edge from D to B, and that was 1. I'm just going to kind of keep a running total over here. All right, what's next? So 2. So it doesn't matter that it adjoins B. It's just the fact that I'm highlighting it is that it was 2, okay, which is the next cheapest link. All right, so that was B to F, and that was worth 2. So I'm going to keep on adding edges in this manner until I get something that doesn't quite work, that makes a degree of 3, or makes a circuit before it's supposed to. That's okay too, isn't it? Yeah, that looks pretty good. So that was E to A. Oops, I meant to put that in black, sorry. And that had a weight of 3. All right, let me see. 4 is next. Get the highlighter going. So we're not making a degree of 3. That's good. Okay, so that was worth 4 from C to E. Okay, so let's talk about why we can't use 5. Okay, I don't have any circuits made yet, and you see here that that makes a degree of 3, and so we don't want that. Okay, so no 5. Let's look at that 6. Okay, that looks promising. No, it doesn't. I'm realizing now that that's going to make a circuit of 3, and that would not include all the vertices there, so I can't do the 6. I'll cross those out. So no 5, no 6. The 7 would make a degree of 3. I think you see that there. 8. 9 won't work because that'll make a circuit of 3. We'll make a triangle. I'm not quite ready. Okay, 10. 10 looks good there. And I think you see, hopefully, that I've got everything joined up. I've got C, E, A, F, B, D. For it to be a circuit, I am going to have to connect C to D, regardless if it is the next cheapest link. That 11 won't work, the 12 won't work, I think you see. The 13 would have to be it anyhow. Oop, I forgot to join up over here. That was 10. Also forgot to use my pen, sorry about that. Still on highlighter, and then that's my 13. So you add those up. It asked us to find the total cost of the resulting circuit, so you just add those there. I hope that helps, and I hope you understand what we did there and why we couldn't use some of those edges. Remember, you don't want to make a degree of 3, or you don't want to complete a circuit unless every single vertex was visited, okay?